In this video, I'm going to give you a quick reminder of how your final project should work. This is the working copy, and so one of the things that has to work is if you click on any of the binary digits, clicking on the digit should cause the digit to change from whatever it is to the other digit. So clicking on a 1 causes it to change to a 0. Clicking on a 0 causes it to change to a 1. And then you'll notice that as I make changes to the binary digits, then the octal digits and the hexadecimal digits are changing as well. The way you make that change occur is by every time I change a binary digit, you want to broadcast a message that says the binary has changed, and then your octal digits and your hex digits will catch that. And in another video, I'll give you some tips on how you can set that up. So we can change, and of course remember that octal uses groups of three binary digits. So these 3 binary digits will change this octal. These 3 binary digits will change the middle octal digit. So see, if I click on that one, then the one in the middle changes. And then these last 2 binary digits will change the third. So if I click on that one or that one, we see that the third octal digit changes. Hexadecimal works off of groups of 4 binary digits. So if any of the first 4 digits change, then the first hexadecimal digit changes, and then the leftmost 4 binary digits, anytime one of those changes, the leftmost hexadecimal digit should change as well, and of course along with whichever octal digit has been affected. Okay, so your basic strategy here then is work on just the basic clicking. So when you click on a digit, if it's a 1 it changes to a 0, if it's a 0 it changes to a 1, and then it broadcasts the message that, hey, the binary has been changed. And then these guys will respond to that message. The other thing that has to happen is that whenever you click on the plus or the minus, then the decimal value is going to change. So if I click on the plus, the decimal value goes up by 1. If I click on the minus, the decimal value goes down by 1. And then when the decimal value changes, the binary should change along with it. And then of course if the binary changes, the octal and the hex will change as well. Now if we keep increasing the decimal, we get up to 255. You can see that that's all 1s for the binary. That's the largest value we can represent with 8 bits, 8 binary digits. So if I click on plus again, then your program should go back to 0. And then I keep going up from there. Now if I have a low decimal value and I click minus, then the minus should go down to 0. And since we haven't talked about representing negative numbers, if I click minus again, it should go up to 255. So that way, no matter what we do with plus and minus, the values always stay between 0 and 255.